Hello guys, how to choose a good waterproof LED floodlight. We have found 3 kinds of LED floodlights with different waterproof performance. We are going to use professional equipment to test their waterproof ability. Now I'm going to introduce them to you. This is the first one. This one it is with waterproof glue around here, under the PC cover, without any screws. Besides, here it is an exhaust valve. This valve is to keep the balance of internal and external air pressure. This is the second one. This is also sealed with waterproof glue around here, but without valve. This is the third one. It is sealed by screws only, without waterproof glue and valve. This testing equipment is specially used to test the waterproof level of light. It can imitate various outdoor scenes of rainy days. We are going to put all 3 lights into this testing equipment to test in the same environment. Let's see the testing result. This is high-class LED floodlight. We can see that there is no water drop at all in the lampshade. It can work normally. Well, all these 3 items have been tested in the same environment. After the testing, we can see that the high-class LED floodlights is the best one with high waterproof ability. There's no water inside at all because it is with waterproof glue and exhaust valve. These 2 lights are not good with poor waterproof ability. You can see there's some water inside. So, the high-class LED floodlights is the best choice.